Check in your book, page number 121, from the bus stopped. Have you got? Okay. See there, the bus stopped. Some new passengers got on, and the conductor got busy for a time. Means the next stop has came. The new passengers get on in the bus, and the girl was watching all the passengers from the window, but afraid of losing her seat. But she was too much afraid. Why? Because conductor was so busy to get on the passengers, and she was afraid because she could lose her seat. Okay, Balli finally sat down, so that she sat down early. Okay, it means the new stop has came. The new passengers were getting on in the bus. Seeing these new passengers, Balli sat down on her seat. She was thinking, I lost my seat. Okay. See, an elderly woman came and sat beside her. Are you all alone, dear? She asked Balli as the bus started again. When the bus started again, the elderly woman who was sitting beside Balli, she asked Balli, are you alone? It means वो पूछती है कि क्या बेटा तुम अकेली हो? Balli found the woman absolutely repulsive. Repulsive means causing strong dislike. So the lady was asking her a question. That's why Balli disliked the elderly woman. Okay. Such big holes she has in her ear lobes. The woman who was sitting beside her, she has a big hole in her ear lobes. मतलब ये ललरी जिसे कहते हैं. Okay, ear lobes, and such ugly earring in them, and she wore a wear earrings in them. मतलब बाली जिसे कहते हैं. ओट टाइप की means she wore a odd type of earrings in her ears. Okay, and she could smell the betel nut the woman was chewing, and the woman who was sitting beside Valli, she was chewing betel nuts. Okay, it was means the smelling which was coming from her mouth. Okay, the woman was chewing, and she the betel juice that was threatening to spill out her lips at any moment. And it was also saying the betel juice always come at her lips. Okay, and it will anytime come out of her mouth. Okay, so Valli is saying, ooh, who could be sociable with these such a person? And that's why Valli saying, who will become the friend of that lady? Okay, means that lady was uncivilized, so Valli didn't want to talk with that lady. Okay, yes, I am traveling alone, she answered curtly, and I have got a ticket too. Then, but at last, Balli gave the answer which lady asked her. Okay, she told, I am alone. Okay, and she was in displeasure mood. Miss who? Valli was in displeasure mood, but she gave the answer, yes, I am alone and I have purchased my ticket. Means I am authorized to go in this bus because I paid my ticket fare. Understood? See, oh, why don't you mind your own business? Said Valli, but she laughed at the same and the conductor laughed too. Okay, sorry, ऊपर line देखें कि yes, she has on her way to town, said the conductor. Then conductor said to to the lady, yes, yes, she is going to town. Okay, Miss Valli is going to town. Okay, said the conductor with a 30 paise ticket, and he also said to the lady, she has paid 30 paise for ticket. Okay. Oh, why don't you mind your own business? Then Valli scolded whom? Conductor. Mind your business. Okay, don't interfere. कभी कभी कहते हैं ना कि तुम अपने बारे में सोचो. Mind your business. Okay, don't care about me. Okay, so she was telling mind your business. Okay, said Valli, but she laughed all the same and the conductor laughed too. Means all the passengers who were in the bus, everyone were laughing and conductor also were laughing in the bus. Okay, see, but the old woman went on with her dribble means silly nonsense. Means, but the old woman who was sitting beside Valli, she was in temper mood. Okay, temper, do you know, in silly nature. Okay, is it proper for such a young person to travel alone? She asked once again a question to Valli. Is it is proper just like you to travel in the bus alone? Okay, यानी क्या ये सही है कि तुम जैसी लड़की अकेले बस में ट्रेवल करे? डू यू नो एग्जैक्टली वेयर यू आर गोइंग इन टाउन? और क्या तुम्हें पता है, मीन्स डू यू नो वेयर यू आर गोइंग इन द टाउन? ओके, व्हाट इज द स्ट्रीट? मीन्स डू यू नो द स्ट्रीट्स नेम इन विच यू आर गोइंग? एंड व्हाट द हाउस नंबर? And do you know the house number in which you are going? Miss, these are the questions which the elderly lady asked to Valli. Okay, you need not bother about me. I can take care of myself, Valli said, turning her face towards the window and staring out. Means when Valli was annoyed with a lady, she turned her faces towards the window and gazing outside of the window. Okay, and she also told to the lady, don't bother about me, don't be hesitate about me, I take care myself. Okay, यानी वो कहती है कि मेरे बारे में चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं अपने आप अपने बारे में सोचती हूँ, मैं हेल्प कर लूँगी. ओके, so this was the second chapter's some explanation. So we have to start part 3. Okay, so voice is clear? Okay, see there. थर्ड पार्ट देखें. हर फर्स्ट जर्नी, what careful, painstaking, elaborate plans she had to make for it. Okay, her first journey means Valli had made her first journey. Okay, carefully. Okay, painstaking means great care. Okay, means she was too much careful about her journey. Okay, elaborate plan, pre-plan means she has made her pre-plan. Okay, she had to make for it means she had made her plan before. Okay, she carefully know the time, she carefully decide how much time it will take, how much fare it will be. Okay, everything she manage. Okay, carefully. She had thriftily saved whatever stray coins came her way, resisting every temptation to buy peppermint, toys, balloons, and the like. And finally, she had saved a total of 60 paise. Okay, see there. She had thriftily. Thriftily means she spent money carefully. Okay, she spent money carefully. Stray coins means whatever she गट फ्रॉम द गार्जियंस, यानी जो भी पैसा वो पाती थी उसे बड़ी केयरफुली से खर्च करती थी. किसके लिए पैसे मिलते थे भाई? सिर्फ वट एवर स्टे मनी केम हर वे, यानी जो भी स्टे मनी, जस्ट सपोज दैट इफ यू गॉट मनी फ्रॉम योर गार्जियंस टू परचेज पेपर, पेंसिल, इरेजर, वट एवर, आर द गेस्ट केम एट योर होम, इफ they went from your home, they give you some money. Okay, maybe. Okay, so she save her stray money, okay, for paying the ticket. Okay, and she get the money from her guardians, for which purpose she get for buying peppermints, toys, balloons, and like. And finally, and means at the last, she was able to save 60 paise. Okay, how difficult it had been, particularly that day at the village fair. Means it was too much difficult at that time when she was 8 years old. Okay, means suppose that if the village fair is nearer, okay, you are collecting or saving your money for the fair. Okay, suppose that at her position if you are, okay, then what will you do? First you will purchase a sweet, gulgappe, dosa, whatever. Okay, but she didn't spend the money for neglected things. Okay, so it was not possible for another boys or girl to save stray money. Okay, but she had resolutely stifled a strong desire to ride the money merry-go-round. Merry-go-round means jhula. Okay, so see here how difficult it had been. Means it was too much difficult for everyone, but it was not difficult for Balli. Okay, particularly that day, means on those days when there was a fair, okay, in the village. But she had absolutely stifle means she controlled with determination. Means she controlled everything with determination. Means what was the determination? She has to go, okay, sorry, she will go to see the excursion view. Okay, excursion, do you know? Means the things which you didn't see. Okay, see there, particularly that day. Sorry, but she had resolutely stifle means carefully determination. Okay, a strong desire to ride the merry-go-round. She has a strong desire. Okay, she was too much careful, determined to go in the bus. Okay, to ride in the bus to see the town. Okay, even though she had the money. Okay, and she had the money, she can take enjoyment of money to move in the village fair, but she didn't do that. लेकिन उसने ऐसा नहीं किया. Okay, after she had enough money saved, her next problem was how to slip out of the house without her mother's knowledge. The second difficulty she was facing, what was the second difficulty? The second difficulty was how she will come out of the house without telling her mother. Okay, just suppose that if you are 8 years old and if you want to go to the city alone, okay, your guardian will not allow you. Okay, so it was difficulty also with Balli. Okay, so Balli, so first difficulty was to hide how she will come out of the house for travel. Okay, but she managed this without too much difficulty. Okay, but she managed that this without too much difficulty, but it was easy for her. Why? Because she was determined. Okay, every day after lunch her mother would nap from about 1 to 4 or so. Means she selected the time. Okay, what she selected? She selected the noon time. Okay, in the noon time her mother went to sleep for 1 or 4 hours, and it was very important time for her to go from the house. Okay, so nap means to sleep. Okay, Bali always used these hours for her excursion, and this is the time which Bali was using for excursion. To view, excursion means to view, to look the new things in the village. Okay, as she stood looking from the doorway of her house, she was using her time to look from her doors the things which was happening. Okay, यानी वह अपने द्वार पे खड़ी हो जाती थी, उस सारी चीज़ों को देखती थी जो चीज़ें हो रही होती थी. Okay, just the bus move from city to village and village to city. Okay, or sometime even ventured out into the village. Ventured out means went carefully or courageously. Venture out means courageously. Or she was only 8 years old and she went to move into this village. Okay, alone. Suppose that if you are a child and your guardian not allowed to go to walk in the village, what will you do? You will remain at your home. Okay, but she was using her time for excursion, for viewing the things in front of her door. Okay, today these same hours could be used for her first excursion outside the village, so that she decided this is the important time. Means in the noon time she will go out of the house for excursion, for travel. Okay, the bus rolled on, now cutting across a bare landscape, now rushing through a teeny hamlet, or past an old wayside shop. Means the bus rolled on, now cutting across a bare landscape. Bare landscape means banjar home, means there was no crops. Means the bus rolled to move. Okay, the bus moved now, and it was cutting means passing. It was passing the landscapes. Okay, bare landscapes means a big ground. Okay, now rushing through a teeny hamlet, and there was teeny hamlet matlab village, small village, and the bus was moving from the small villages. Okay, or past an old wayside shop, or old means ikka dukka. Okay, means 1 or 2 shops which was open side of the road. It was passing. Okay, means everything were passing when the bus was riding. Okay, sometimes the bus seemed on the point of gobbling up another vehicle that was coming towards them, or a pedestrian crossing the road. Okay, see there, sometimes the bus seemed on the point of gobbling means observing up another vehicle. For some time, if you are traveling in the bus, you can see easily the other vehicles which is coming towards you, is coming in front of you. Okay, and certainly it will pass you also. Okay, जैसे आप बस में सवार होते हैं तो एक तरफ से जाते हैं तो दूसरी तरफ से गाड़ियाँ आती हैं. और तेज़ी से आती हैं, जैसे आप तेज़ी से क्रॉस करते हैं वो भी तेज़ी से क्रॉस करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ इंसिडेंट यू कैन सी वेन एवर यू आर travel by the bus. Okay, sometimes the bus seemed on the point of gobbling up another vehicles that was coming towards them, or pedestrian crossing the road. Okay, and for some time the bus stop. Okay, when the pedestrian crosses the road. Okay, means suppose that if you are crossing the road, you have to cross the road at zebra crossing. Okay, so the pedestrian who were traveling on the road, the bus slow down to cross the road for the pedestrian. Okay, but at that time the girl said low. Okay, but low, somehow it passed on smoothly, leaving all obstacles safely behind. Obstacle, difficulties, means everything passes on. Okay, suppose that the vehicles cross another vehicles. Okay, the hamlet crosses, the shops also crosses, means there was no difficulties. Okay, see there, trees came round running towards them, but then stopped as the bus reached them, and simply stood there helpless for a moment by the side of the road before rushing away in the another direction. Means suppose that if you are going along the road, you will see the trees were coming nearer. ओके, जैसे आप सवारी करते हैं, जा रहे हैं, तो आप देखेंगे कि जैसे आप एक तरफ से जाते हैं तो लगता है कि जो पेड़ हैं वो आपके सामने आ रहे हैं. ओके, आप उधर बढ़ रहे हैं. ओके, एंड फॉर सम मोमेंट द ट्रीज कम नियरर वेयर यू स्टॉप, द ट्रीज आल्सो स्टॉप. ओके, जैसे ही आप ट्री के पास आ जाते हैं तो लगता है कि ट्री एक जगह, बट इफ़ यू मूव अगेन देन द ट्री पासिस यू. तो ट्री क्या करते हैं, आपको भी पासिस करते हैं, मतलब उधर से आगे आते हैं, अब वो पीछे की ओर चलने लगते हैं. सो दिस काइंड्स ऑफ इंसिडेंट दैट मीन्स द ट्री मूविंग टू द अनदर डायरेक्शन. ओके, suddenly Valli clapped her hands with glee. So looking this incident, Valli clapped her hands happily. Okay, a young cow, tails high in the air, was running very fast right in the middle of the road, right in front of the bus. Okay, suddenly when Valli was clapping her hands with joy, a young cow whose tails was in the air, okay, running very fast from the right direction in the middle road. Okay, and after some moment it passes from the right of the bus. Okay, the bus slows down to a crawl. Okay, and the driver sounded his horn loudly again and again. Means at that time when the cow was on the road, okay, the driver slow down, crawl मतलब slow down the bus. Okay, and blew sound loudly. Okay, so that the cow will change her direction, will leave the, so that the cow leave the road. Okay, see again and again, but the more he honked means more he blew the whistle. जैसे वो सीटी ज़्यादा बजाता था तो जो काउस थे वो ज़्यादा परेशान होते. ओके, सो मोर ही हॉन्ग्ड द मोर फ्राइटेन द एनिमल. जितना तेज से वो विसिल बजाता था उतनी तेज से जो काउस थी वो डिस्प्लेस होती थी. ओके, बिकेम एंड द फास्टर इट गैलप, और वह तेजी से गैलप करने लगती थी, दौड़ने भागने लगती. मीन्स व्हेन द काउस listen the great sound, the cow galloping too much faster on the road, always right in front of the bus, and the cow always passing from the right of the bus. Okay, So these are the things that you read in this chapter. Okay, so the questions you have to do yourself from the book. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.